Hello everybody, I am Mugilan from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science to be here to explain what is chain of pointers and pointer expression. Shall we go into the topic? Chain of pointers. A chain of pointers is when there are multiple levels of pointers. Simplifying, a pointers points to the address of a variable. Double pointers points to a variable and so on. This is called multiple indirections. Syntax for chain of pointers. Level 1 pointer declaration data type pointer 1, and then level 2 pointer declaration data type is double star pointer. Level 3 declaration data type is triple star pointer, and so on. Declaration. The level of the pointers depends on how many asterisks the pointer variable is preceded with at the time of declaration. Int star pointer 1, int double star pointer 2, int triple star pointer 3, and so on. Initialization. Go through the PPT. An example for chain of pointers. 10, a variable with value, is assuming the 2006 address of a variable, and then pointer to variable pointer 1 2006 at the value 4080 address of pointer 1, pointer to be a variable of pointer 2 4080 that is 8010 address of pointer 2, and pointer to pointer of a pointer to variable pointer 3 8010 8500 address of pointer 3. Explanation. As shown in the diagram, variable A is a normal integer variable which stores integer value 10 and its location 2006. ptr1 is a pointer variable which points to integer variable A and stores its location, that is 2006, as its value. Similarly, ptr2 points to pointer variable ptr1 and ptr3 points at pointer variable ptr2. As every pointer is directly or indirectly pointing to the variable A, they all have the same integers value as variable A, that is 10. Code for chain of pointers. Go through the codes. Next, shall we move to pointer expression? Like other variables, pointer variables can be used in expressions. If p1 and p2 are properly declared and initialized pointers, the following statements are valid. Go through the PPT and then note the blank space between and star. The following is wrong. Set is equal to 5 star minus star p2 by star p1. The symbol slash star is considered as the beginning of a command. C allows us to add integers to or subtract integers from pointers, as well as to subtract one pointer from another. p1 plus 4, p2 minus 2, p1 minus p2 are all allowed. If p1 and p2 are both pointed to be the same array, then p2 minus p1 gives the number of elements between p1 and p2. We may also use shorthand operation with the pointers. p1 plus plus minus p2 sum plus is equal to star p2. Pointers can also be compared using the relational operators. That is, p1 is greater than p2, p1 is equal to p2, p1 factorial, that is p1 not equal to p2 are allowed. We may not use pointers in division or multiplication, that is p1 by p2 or p1 into p2 or p1 by 3 are not allowed. 2 pointers cannot be added, that is P1 plus P2, which is illegal. And thank you for watching my video.